Steam in the comfort of your home with friends and family with the Okla Home Steam Solutions. We install steam solutions in your bathroom or outdoors in your compound. Setting up of the steam room in your bathroom saves you construction costs of a separate steam room. We construct saunas and steam bath facilities for businesses. Our steam machines use very little energy to start up. With only 5 pieces of firewood, you will start to enjoy a rejuvenating and relaxing moment with friends and family. Steaming improves blood circulation, lowers blood pressure, reduces stress, decreases your body cholesterol, clears congestion, promotes skin health, aids in workout recovery, loosens stiff joints, burns calories, kills bacteria and viral infections in your respiratory tract. Contact us today to order the Okla Home Steam Solutions.